the fastest WordPress website ever. I have checked this. So this is the mailjet.com. This is the build one WordPress website. So this is the custom build. So there won't be, so just check when you hit this website. The millisecond need to, you can open this website. Just click in and open this. I am checking this website in the time speed checker. So in the home page is check within 1 second, millisecond, 1 second, 142 millisecond cumulative shift 0, that means 1.6, 1.1. so within 1 second this site is run working fine. And check their pages, view source page, they everything managed via then is their own theme, syncs code, and plugin support. And check they use WP Rocket JS Heartbeat. They use this. You can check this one. This is blank, and they use also this completely custom theme. They build this theme, the simple texting theme, and this theme is super fastest. That's why you can check it when you hit this. Everything is super fastest, and their login is different application. This is the different application, but their main site is built in WordPress, where website is super fast. Just click the page speed, that is the page speed. So 100 performance, 92, almost 100% mobile. And check, everything is super fast mode. Everything is super fastest. So speed index only 0.4 second. So in the mobile that means 1.2 second. So best ever in my life. This is the first time I have said this. The WordPress website is super fastest. Is their custom theme. They build this theme, own theme, so they are using this own theme. So you can try to make your application do better with WordPress.